As we say in English, we have to walk the talk.
Kablish puni pibaro and welcome you back to What Wendell. Tam tasing in pet ka video kabaki crunch pang ka don ki party ki bampoy hapok ka all party meeting punya crunch pang ka reservation policy. Wa kini kundo berkata ki expert committee bikin what hope ha mau kum da bakin lech pang ka expert committee. Tama jingbu ka meeting part ka way na ka party ka klempoy. Kata ka jing onu chief minister jungi makaway na ka party klempoy. Te bar khot ngitip ki crunch pang ka party ayo kata ka VPP. Te hadu mangaya la deru ngam te pis ya ta mangaya la deru kana ka takaju ka jingkali balai baka VPP ka klempoy lada ka VPP hi ka babu ya ka ne ka mat badi banyak keren ka diban badi ban bu ya kata ka one what pembeli kum do bangin punyo ya kata ka reservation policy na mar kapan ngasngo ka jing sutu ka jing kan mau juga ngasngo kapan 10% baru diban ayak hasi 40% diban bu bi karo ngam te beli bakam poy dengar ngawat ngakwa kata ka jubab hi tiang nya pet ka jing keren jung CM jung yu ong yu CM is very angry, I think so. No. Namar kita itu magikuan po ko all party meeting kim point. I feel like anger it's valid.
Yesterday I was quite disappointed.
Disappointed.
As you're aware,
Not angry, disappointed. My bad.
that there was an expert committee that had made a report and come out with a report on the reservation issue. And based on the demands that were given by the opposition on the floor of the House, that an all-party meeting should be called to further discuss the report and deliberate on food, show to the region and the people that they are very, very concerned about this issue and that they will fight for this issue to the last breath. And yesterday, I received a letter from them saying that they have other pressing issues because of which they can't come for this particular issue. As we say in English, we have to walk the talk.
I think so. It's very true. We have to walk the talk. Kaya pengikiran ng hal na kata. So, kung ka VPP kapan ya kata ka all party meeting banyak crunch pang ka reservation policy lada kampoy. It's somewhere bad. Tamba weird thing is about balay banbu ya ka reservation policy meeting happening jung ka election mo, happening jung ka MP election. So which is kind of weird. Which is kind of weird for me. Tama pini ka response so jung ba den kalami. Te nga api ka response ka VPP klono kan response na ba because we need clarity ngir ko clarity na ka VPP beli ba klempoy ngi nong kam clarity na pag government ro beli ba ka party ka klempoy so na bro arling himata kila yo kila ay kata ka clarity kila ay kata ka jing pensya hala ka jing pompoy ka ni ka all party meeting yang nya pi ka jing kren ka VPP
tang kratali mo kita gimat sanuja kamat reservation policy kita kli kung kita sgau kaya Shano kaja kata kamat reservation policy mo na kita kimat chiki the voice of the people party kalau ki wat ya kini kamat banyak ki naman kalong sensitive kan sami ibek kajing yak kan apring kini ki atli ki jat reu kasi pat karo kan saya lam siya kajing umsnam andai ngem penskap naman isnu tu bagai ka bangita kasyong nya bat kasyong hot naman
I think lada kami kena reservation policy tu lada kapan kelai ka reservation policy kanam dai ban poi hadu itai pod pangi hapanya umsnam ngi hapanya sok ngi hapanya dat ngi hapanya poi ta kajing keluar namar bala dah hingi itu ka jemo perkat ka bapiang ngajung yam kata maturity mindset mo we have to understand in every aspect of the reservation policy lada ka dai bala ban kala non hak ban kala namar ba if you look at because reservation policy when it was created haka sport pakishnai ka reservation policy haka khandai Espanya puar kemudian baka shushna ba omba tang nakal yang population ki pait na po ka baik witness ng kaway community bakaway ka community kanum dominate ya kaway community haka jing haka education ka jong ki haka thungkam thungjam ka jong ki kanum long kumta so that's why the education policy at that time kishna kata ka rukam bakalong equal kay tada ka ni ko community ka kiu ka ni kaway community ro kan ni ben kiu lang kadi ben long kumta tamba ban ong no ada kadon kata ka kamat kabaya hap ngaru nga agree ba di ban ka changes in policy namar ba hipet munta garo ne joy ne jantia ne mangi khasiro ngimdan shu kinoy committee balong backward ngimdan shu kinoy committee kimla ban le hapo ka education kimla ban le ka kam ka jam kimdan shu kita committee barakot munta kila alu ban le so ban man shubo sa kumjo ka policy ngamsong ya hap kata dia nya pechu jingkran ba dan
Jingdawa ka chikolong, pari ban pa katong ka jingdon pa.
Exactly. I don't ngati kata ngam so haban ang ban bahat tanga kajing ton pat. But then yes, if you look at everything, then it's right to make the changes. The yang nya petsu kabentaran by ay jawab pamali klempoy ka all party meeting.
no maka sarkar katakan recommendation dan ka sarkar kan rakyat ka cingkala da ka ai no ingi ki kasi kama kintok uknriam upnar upoy uwar ulingam umuliang unongtrai 90% to ingi ta ki para kalo sapo kamene mai 90 kumno ka dia ka kum ka cingdon pa kala ya hap kata Hinay mdan ka wayro ka party kamay simenta mdan ka wayro ka party kamay krisyan baru kisngap man namar balay kem ko ha ka tay po assembly kata kala jahu kanay ba rempang jong Jerusalem hagasin siyang dormar mangtiga anda ka voice of the people party kala say gini mat mata bangin dawa ba sarkar ka diban pindak martor lem kumta ngin dam sange kajing kaya tawel kajing ka secretary kisauto ba kanong masin ibu patba hapo matran usle masin ibu patba hapo yamus yang ubon masin ibu patba ka sabay umi o kinong ganito ka bamnong nakatagdaw ban pinpaino ya ka kingot ka jephat joga party dikot hana manta all party meeting bani kren ya ka reservation policy lani ka ka kimot joga ka expert committee balay pinkot yani pimot ni pi de hado kano ba pinkot bani kren ya ka ko patba Nila tip lupa barok iseng san pertai hinod bani yang persya like tanaga voice of the people party nila tip lupa ba pi hinod bale ngini le plot ponte sekretariat tamali plot pisabay syang to hinod por nawar ka nongrim jungi ka syai lara pi wat pachu ini bani kren ai bet ya ka report ni ya kata cuba baka sarkar kala timtiu sapnyo na disista ngin ai buram ni bi naman ngiti pini ka sarkar ko aburam
I think that's very right. Ada mol pa yata kamat. Ada bol pa yata kamat pa deban le kum ni. Ay ta kasap nyo persen ngi ya ka kasi mat sapo persen bobe ya ka garu bukan langkum tu. Telah ada ail pa ya kata panle ya kata ko all party meeting. I don't think so it's that important. Nama dang ilit ang tur matangin keren ya ka juhi. Ya ka juhi ngin repeat dari bala su approve ba ya tu. Ay ba tu bakan long bakan ka reservation policy kan pangkalat mai ay sapo nyo persen ngi kasi jantia sapo persen ya ka garu. Ada balik bala dari bala ban le kum ta le ba dari pamla ban le kum ta ban bu ya ka all party meeting ro. From my side di baka state government kala ban le di ban sule di ban approve ban ban hot sa isin kam so ya hap tama lada kum ka VPP ki kala ong bakan di ban bu ya kata all party meeting baki di ban poi ki di ban kren ki di ban khot ka expert committee ka di ban poi no VPP ka di ban poi ji sha tamba I don't know there might be consequences here and there bam lawan poi who knows mo I don't know about that I don't know what you guys think tamba kalian ko junga reservation policy kam day tang nakadaw population kan mabiyang kata reservation policy kam day tang nakadaw population it has so many aspects papan kalay ka reservation policy amar kapor biki pan kalay ka reservation policy kajing tumu bay ka day ban ra equal hapo ki tribal communities ban ra ta ka protection hapo ka tribal communities ban ra ka ka equal opportunity nam ta ki tribal communities kan so that's the reason why ki pia sapo percent ki makaway committee kalong backward taban ra ka taban long equal bakan ra ka equal opportunity nam tabar khot di ki pen long kumjuk kan so that no community would be backward kan kinum dan jing sadin ka jong ki hapo ka education ne hapo ka kam ka jam na ka tung jam ne kinum dan jing sadin kan taka daw ki aya ka to ka 40 timantala sam hus nam layat so I think so is a very high time ba day ba kalay ka reservation policy namar ba dan syo kano ka community kanano ka tribal community hapo ka state ka jongi kabadang sadin mentabar ko ki equal opportunity ha education kakam kajam ki oli ta equal opportunity menta dihipet kata kalian everyone baru ko kikot lu kata kikot lu dihipet ka jingnan yang start ro dan mana bom nang bom start menta na pagkaro kim dan bom nang bom start na pakasir kim dan bom nang bom start baru ko kilay tiplot menta ban ang ba ngin I sa ka reservation policy kum kata sapo tam ya hapre namar ba ka population menta kala change right ka population menta kala change so we have to look into it make changes but lada badan kano ka community ne kano ka bathot kidi ban wan mi shakmat kidi ban karen o kam bal kalong kum ta ba mi hapre kum ta kum ta so that's what kum bajala sa mapagaro hills ro there were few things ba mi hap but ka ka jingat ka document jong ka election jong ka GHDC ba mi hap jingat jong election jong GHDC ki wanra kipen klay ko to so that's what reservation policy should be the same lada kami hap syo mentala apoy hadu sampus ne mentak layat kami hap syo kidi ban kala akan man kata ka equal opportunity yang kan sa isini baru kan so I don't know what you guys think from my side I feel like there should be changes in the policy because it's very important tengam te pise na lada piso ya baka policy baka non changes share kana video like kana video but kum joro comment piso no piso ya hap na ka jing response jong ba dan ya ka jimbom poy ka jong I hapo ka all party meeting dependin ba tayo baka deban kala na ka reservation policy ngam dan Asia ban on nakini kinten kublesh bani pibaro gi bapen until next time.